Hey, Sarah, your hair is bigger than you are. I thought you were combing it out.
No.
No? Let's see it. Woo! It fills the whole screen. Let me shake it. Whoa! That's awesome. Woo! Whoa! You like to shake? Whoa! It's a game?
Yeah.
What's the purpose of the game?
Having fun.
Having fun? Yeah, that's the purpose of most games.